Okay, welcome back to my channel. What I wanted to do today is show you what I did with the rest of the Doodlebug Made With Love collection that I created a recipe card album out of in a previous video. So just kind of for record keeping, I ended up with part of the sticker sheet left, and these bits. Oh, there's a few more in the pack. And of course the cover. You see, I thought I was going to get super into it and stamp some circles out of the cover, but I didn't end up using them that way. And then, just for the record, there was one sheet of cardstock that I cut into card bases, but at the end of the day, I was concerned, or not concerned, but I knew that I had some other Doodlebug paper stashed away, and they tend to have like the same colorways, so I saved these, and instead of using these, I paper pieced a few of the card bases or the card backs together, and I'll show you that. And if you watched my previous video of the recipe card album, I had these two Doodle Pops, which I still have hoarded and haven't used yet. So I basically don't know what I'm going to use them for now, but I used almost all of the things. So there are a couple of the little tags, just really some pieces, and a few stickers left. And I think this is like the most I've ever sat down at one time and tried to really use the end up the end of a paper pack. So all of these cards are using that Doodlebug Made With Love collection. I did use some 110-pound Nina cardstock for the card bases, and the majority of them are in this orientation. Not that that matters. So I also just used some of the bling that I have in my collection. Water drop sequins, sprinkles, and some gems. So this one says, "Hey Cupcake." It's got a few pieces of the collection behind it in a strip, and then this was one of the stickers. This one says, "Love," and it actually is in this orientation. This one, I just added a few light pink and dark pink gems. This little strip of paper I really love, and I felt like this cookie, excuse me, with the word love really went well, of course, with the milk and cookies, so that's why I paired those together. This one says, "Hello friend, love you with all my heart." And so I put a couple little hearts here as embellishment. And this is one that is not food related, but definitely comes from a food themed paper pack. So it's just another one of those examples of how you can make other cards and other themed items out of the paper packs that seem to be pretty substantially one theme or the other. So here's one that says, "You bake me so happy, baking the world a better place," and it's got the chocolate chip cookie background on it and some gems. This one says, "Warm wishes." I covered up something under here, and I'm not sure what it said underneath, but I really kind of like this sticker with this cut apart. And I did layer some of the stickers kind of back here as well. Towards the end, I did do some paper piecing. So these are just strips of the different papers that I had left over. And these are a couple of the tags that I cut the tag piece off of. And I just layered them up since I didn't have anything else that I was going to use those for. Here's another one that I paper pieced where I used some glitter enamel dots and just the little strips of the paper pack that I had and an extra tag behind there. It says, "I'm Coco for you." This one says, "You warm my heart." It has some cookies and the milk and cookies paired together again and some strips that are cut into ribbon tails. This one says, "I love you, you are so sweet." And this one I just used some sequins in alternate colors here. This one says, "Wishing you a sprinkling of happiness." And I have a 3 or 4 here in a row that I use these clay, like polymer clay sprinkles on. It's pretty cute. I considered just picking out specific colors, but at the end I just globbed some glue on and smashed a bunch on there to see what would stick. Oh, there goes one now. So this, of course, is my favorite, this little mixer with the bowl. And I paired that with the mixer paper. Here's another one with sprinkles. It says, "You sprinkle the world with happiness." Got just a piece of the polka dot sheet and some of the stickers here and some more of the sprinkles. Whoa. Here's one with a tag that says "Sprinkle Kindness." And so this one I just put a few sprinkles on and put a couple of the stickers on. This one says "Happy Birthday." And it says, "You're cool." I had some of these little embellishments that are snowflakes, so I put those around the fridge because it says "You're cool." This one says "Muffin compares to you," and so of course I sang the song for the rest of the day. It also says "You bake me happy," and I put just some little different sized pink bling on there with some ribbon tail strips of the paper. This one says "All you need is love," and I like these green enamel glitter dots don't really match, but I kind of like the way they offset the color there. This one says "Life is short, eat cake." And that's a pretty giant sticker, and I just put a couple strips of the ribbon tail and paired the sticker with the cupcake paper. This one says "We go together like milk and cookies," and then I put one of the tabs behind it. And this last one, oh no, there's 2 more. This one says XO, and then but I put the happy together stickers and I layered some of the other stickers down here and put that with, again, the mixer paper. And then this one says "Hello Sweet Cakes," and so I put that on with the cupcake paper. So like I said, let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 A2 sized cards and the recipe album. If you're interested in the recipe card album, I will link that video below. And I will also link to where you can find this paper pack on maymaymadeit.com. Thank you for watching. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.